Hey y'all, welcome back to Raven Camille TV. I am actually about to show y'all one of my new favorite obsessions. I've always kind of been a crafter and loved crafts, but I now have a Cricut Joy and a new Cricut Air, and I am going to show you guys one of my new favorite hobbies, which is customizing Starbucks cups. To know me is to know that I'm obsessed with the Grinch, so I bought a Grinch SVG to make this particular Starbucks cup, so I don't have to like create anything. It comes in, import the image in. I have learned from all of the other great crafters to put it on complex, and I'm gonna go through and erase all of the parts that I do not want, so that way I just get a full outline. This particular look is just gonna be the outline. It's not gonna be anything. I love the fact that when you mess up like I just did, that you can always undo it and zoom in to get all of the little pieces out, the details in the eyes, in the face and the nose, and also like in this little snowflake. And so that's just what I'm doing here, just to make sure that I get everything that I want out of it. And I'm just gonna fast forward through all of this because y'all don't really care to see all of that for real, you know what I'm saying? I wish it took this fast. Like, ooh, it'd be taking a long time. Alright, so I always, before I go on to add it to the canvas, I always preview the cut image to make sure that I'm not missing anything that I want to have in there. So I'm gonna upload this as a cut image, and we're just gonna add her to the canvas. Alright, so this is a full wrap, and so with this I go to kaylamakes.com. She has a ton of free downloads of SVG full wrap cups. She even has certain prints and also like the different sizes. Kayla also has a blog post about the dimensions of what your wraps should be, and so this is a full venti size cup cold wrap. So you see the dimensions that they are, and I just go in and I update the dimensions of that in Cricut Design Space. Alright, so now that the vinyl is cut out, I am going to weed it. I have this really cool tracer light that my lovely supportive husband bought me, and I'm going to turn it on here shortly. As you can see, it just makes it a lot easier to see the vinyl. I do not have an actual craft space, so I work off of the dining room table, and so it just makes it a lot easier to see, you know, what needs to be weeded out. With that lovely little tracer light below. You just have to be extremely careful not to actually stab it with the weeding tool. And I'll link the tracer light below. I got it from Amazon. It's really like life-changing, truly. Alright, and then once I was finally done weeding it, I used a new transfer tape. Let me tell you something. Transfer tape is like my arch nemesis at this point. I haven't found one that I really like that seems to work well. I used the Cricut transfer tape. I have used the Oracle transfer tape. And then I saw on TikTok to use the shelf adhesive liner. And y'all, I should have just used the Cricut tape because this gave me an aneurysm. Whew, I thought I was gonna have a heart attack trying to get the vinyl off. Like, I was struggling. I didn't want y'all to see me struggling for 30 minutes, so I just finished it. And as you can see, some of the tape was still stuck to my thing. It's just, it was a headache, but I finally got it off. So I always prep my cups with rubbing alcohol. Just take that cotton ball, rub it all over the cup. And here I am, perfectly placing the vinyl. I don't know why I just sang that, but that's okay. That's because it's early in the morning when I'm doing this voiceover, but that's all right. But anyway, I finally get it on there, and y'all are about to see that now. This transfer tape even gave me a headache getting it off. So if you have any transfer tape recommendations, please let us know, because I need something else. But I finally got it done, and ta-da! There it is under the tracer light. She's done. She's complete. She's cute. I love it. Very excited.